and Shogun buckle, only from Bandai. Combat evil with the Jungle Fury Tiger Battle Claws. Add the Tiger Flames and stand by for shock sensor action. Charge them for even more power and unleash the fury. Then call up the Animalized Rangers with their incredible animal zords that morph into mega weapons with awesome power. Then morph again into evil blasting Battleized Rangers. Wipe out evil with the Jungle Fury Tiger Battle Claws and Animalized figures from Bandai. When evil strikes, use the Jungle Fury Violent Wolf Morpher with its awesome battle shock sensor action and secret morph call. Then unleash the Power Ranger Jungle Master figures, each one with a special key that unlocks awesome battle sounds to strike fear into the very heart of evil and wipe it out. Bring your battles to life with the Jungle Fury Master figures and Violent Wolf Morpher from Bandai. Unleash the fury. Strike back at evil with the Power Ranger Sound Action Tonfa stack and morph it into one evil-crushing Mega Tonfa. Now unleash the deluxe Beast Morphin figures and their incredible Beast Swords. Activate Morphin Mode. Then turn them into battle-hungry warriors and wipe out evil for good. Bring your battles to life with the Jungle Fury Tonfa staff and deluxe Beast Morphin figures from Bandai. Unleash the fury. Race against evil with the ferocious Thunder Roar vehicles. High-speed, supercharged racers that morph into awesome animal mode with missile-blasting action to hunt down evil and destroy it. Now unleash the Mega Action Power Rangers with interchangeable masks that activate different sounds. Then morph their fireballs to a blasting super weapon and blow evil away. The Mega Action Power Rangers and Thunder Roar vehicles from Bandai. When evil attacks, call up the Strike Rider Animal Cycles with drive and attack modes, missile action, and evil chopping bike mode. Morph them into an awesome strike force. Now unleash the transforming Beastmaster Zords. Use them as Ranger weapons, then morph them into the incredible Beastmaster Megazord. Now add a Strike Rider cycle for even more evil blasting power. Bring battles to life with the Strike Rider Animal Cycles and the transforming Beastmaster Megazord from Bandai. When evil comes out of hiding, fight back with the Jungle Fury Microzord sets. A fleet of awesome mini-Zords that morph to become evil-battling Micro-Megazords. Then morph again into more incredible Mega-Micro-Megazords. The Jungle Fury Micro-Animal Zord sets from Bandai. Unleash the fury! When evil attacks, unleash the Jungle Fury Animorphin Rangers. Morph them into Wild Ranger mode. Then double morph them into ferocious Animal Zords. Now unleash the terrifying Jungle Fury Air Blaster Cannon. An awesome weapon with its own evil targets. And so much power there's nowhere left to hide. Bring your battles to life with the Animorphin figures and Jungle Fury Air Blaster Cannon from Bandai. Unleash the fury! When evil attacks, destroy it with the incredible Operation Overdrive Transmax vehicle sets. 3 different sets that each morph from vehicles to Zords and then combine together to create Megazords and Ultra Zords. Again, and again, and again. How much can evil take? Morph Megazords and Ultra Zords with the incredible Operation Overdrive Transmax vehicle sets. Only from Bandai. Destroy the power. Combat evil with the Operation Overdrive Drivelands with its awesome battle sounds and terrifying claw action. Now call up the Transtech armor vehicles with their devastating speed and incredible technology. Morph them to terrifying machine mode. Then morph 2 together for the ultimate Transtech Zord. Combat evil with the Power Ranger Drivelands and Overdrive Transtech armor machines. Only from Bandai. Operation Overdrive Zortex cycles with their awesome headlights and their amazing Power Ranger figures. Now call up the incredible Motomorph jet fighters and morph them to figure mode with their incredible talking action.
Go for it! Counterattack!
Now watch Evil run! Destroy Evil with the Operation Overdrive Zortex cycles and Motomorph Power Rangers, only for Bandai. Alien attack! Call out the Hovertech cycles with their Power Ranger figures and their devastating missile-firing action. Now morph them to hover mode and Evil has nowhere to hide. Now call out the 30-centimeter talking Power Rangers with their awesome weapons. And let's do some giant damage.
Slammer time!
Destroy Evil with the Operation Overdrive Hovertech cycles and 30-centimeter talking Power Rangers, only from Bandai. Defend against Evil with the Power Ranger Overdrive Drive Defender with its awesome light and sound action. Morph into blaster mode. And the missile launcher and send Evil back where it belongs. Now unleash the mighty Sentinel Zord Power Ranger figures and morph their powerful swords to Zord mode. Then morph again to form the incredible Sentinel Power Rangers with the awesome power of Overdrive. Destroy Evil with the Operation Overdrive Drive Defender and Sentinel Zord Power Ranger figures, only from Bandai. Defend against Evil with the Power Ranger Overdrive Drive Defender with its awesome light and sound action. Morph into blaster mode. And the missile launcher and send Evil back where it belongs. Now release the mighty Power Ranger Battleize figures with armor that makes cool vehicles. Morph them to Battleize mode with enough power to totally destroy Evil. Let Evil feel the heat with the Operation Overdrive Drive Defender and Battleize Power Rangers figures, only from Bandai. Destroy the Power Rangers! When hideous evil aliens attack your planet, use the Mercury Rangers Morpher with its incredible light and sound action to call for the awesome Power Ranger Gyro launching figures. Incredible action rangers with terrifying gyro spinning weapons. Power up! Fire! Attack! Over! Let Evil feel the heat of Overdrive with the Power Ranger Mercury Morpher and gyro launching action figures, only from Bandai. Evil alien attack! Activate the Power Ranger Operation Overdrive Decoder Tracker with its awesome code number activated sounds and spinning wheel action. Now call for the amazing Operation Overdrive Power Rangers figures with their own cool weapons. Black, red, and blue with amazing lights and sounds and challenger reactions.
Nice try!
Pink and yellow with light activated weapons, all of them with the power of alien destruction.
You won!
Power Ranger Operation Overdrive Tracker and action figures, only from Bandai. When you've got a tough mission, call up the Operation Overdrive Mission Response figures and the incredible Light and Sound Mission Response vehicle. Together, they combine their awesome technology to unleash secret sounds and devastating missile-firing action. Add its incredible vehicle launching capability, and no mission will ever be too tough. Crush Evil with the Operation Overdrive vehicles and figures, only from Bandai. Got double trouble? Unleash the 5 Drive Max vehicles that morph to a Mega Truck. Then morph again to the awesome deluxe Drive Max Megazord. Now call up the Dual Drive Zords. Morph them to become the awesome Sound and Light Deluxe Dual Drive Megazord. Combine both Zords to create the Ultimate Drive Max Ultra Zord. Destroy Evil with the Operation Overdrive Deluxe Drive Max and Dual Max Megazords. Only from Bandai.